Hey, I want to talk about the benefits of branding today. It certainly is a great way to increase your office's awareness exponentially in the community. So once you start sharing things, not only can you share it, but your staff can share it and your friends can share it. So it certainly expands exponentially. It also showcases all the things that you do in the community and all the things that you're capable of, including selling a business, buying a business, franchising, franchise development. So there's a lot of things that you can share out there that showcases your abilities. It also can help build an audience of ideal clients. And so you could start targeting people that might want to sell businesses, of course, business owners, but you might want to do it per industry. So there's lots of ways that you could build an audience of ideal clients. And then, of course, you want to connect with the people that you want to regularly connect with and get repeat business from them, like the bankers and the accountants and the attorneys and all the people that you want to do business with regularly that can refer you business. And then, of course, it also creates content online that normally people don't see you sharing. Things about valuation, things about recasting, things about business in general, things about doing charitable work, all the things that you do or that the company does that could create a conversation saying, hey, I didn't realize Transworld did that, or I have some great ideas for you. And then lastly, all that activity is going to generate online leads for you through this regular content. And then we could use it in ads, we can use it on boosted posts, we could use it for all kinds of things to generate leads, because that's what we're in the business to do.